question. Miss Sunita submits the following particulars. Incomes. Compute salary income 2 lakh. Compute income from property let out rupees 65,000. Agricultural income from Bangladesh rupees 1 lakh. Share of income from HUF rupees 1,70,000. Computed income from STCG, that is a short-term capital gain, rupees 75,000. Expenses. Life insurance premium paid rupees 28,000. Sum assured, that is 25 lakh. Medical insurance premium paid rupees 18,000. Loan repayment towards home loan installment rupees 20,000. Contributions of rupees 20,000 to the Swachh Bharat question set up by the central government. So this is a question. Let's move to a problem. So problem number 4. Computation of total income. Particular amount column. So this is now compute salary income rupees 2 lakh. Compute they have mentioned, so directly you can write 2 lakh. So computed salary income, that is 2 lakh. Next, computed income from property, that is let out, rupees 65,000. So in question they have mentioned computed, so you should write direct amount column. So computed income from property, $65,000. Next one is agricultural income from Bangladesh, rupees 1 lakh. So it's a taxable. You can take direct amount column. So agricultural income from Bangladesh, that is 1 lakh. Next one is share of income from HUF 1,70,000. So it's a tax free. You no need to write amount. You should write in amount column, that is tax free. Share of income from HUF. You should write here tax free. Next one is computed income from STCG. It's a short-term capital gain, is rupees 75,000. So you should write amount column 75,000. Compute income from short-term capital gain rupees 75,000. Okay, then you should calculate that will come that gross total income. Okay, just add how much we will get. So it's like 2 lakh plus 65,000 plus 1 lakh plus 75,000. You will get 4,40,000. So 4,40,000. Okay. Next one is they has given expenses, that is less deduction under 80C to 80U. Less deduction under section 80C to 80U. Okay, so let's see what are the expenses. So life insurance premium paid rupees 28,000. Okay, so that is life insurance premium paid is rupees 28,000. 28,000. Next, maximum limit is 1,50,000. Maximum limit, that is 1,50,000. In this, whichever is less, that you should write in amount column. So in this, which is less, this one is less. So you write here 28,000. Okay. Next one is medical insurance premium paid rupees 18,000. Next one is medical insurance premium paid is 18,000. 18,000, and the maximum limit is 25,000. Okay, maximum limit is 25,000. So in this, whichever is less, you should write. So in this, whichever is less, 18,000. So you should write here 18,000. Okay. Next one is loan repayment towards home loan installment is 20,000. You can write direct amount column. So loan repayment towards home loan installment is rupees 20,000. Next one is contributions of rupees 20,000 to a Swachh Bharat course set up by the central government. So you write Swachh Bharat is rupees 20,000. So what is that? Swachh Bharat is rupees 20,000. Okay, then you calculate how much it will come. Okay, that it comes total income. Okay, just calculate how much it will come. So that is 28,000 plus 18,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000, you will get 86,000 minus 4,40,000, you will get 3,54,000. 3,54,000. Okay. So this is clear. Next, we should find out tax liability. Okay. First step is over. Then we should find out tax liability. It's because 3,54,000. So that case we should calculate the tax liability. So here I'll write computation of tax liability. Okay. Yes. I told the format like 60 years below. So the individual age 60 years below means the format is like 0 to 2,50,000 is nil, and 2,50,000 to 5 lakh is 5%, and 5 lakh to 10 lakh you will get 20%, and from above 10 lakh you will get 30%. So based on this format, let's do a problem. So here up to 2,50,000 it's a nil. Okay, and 2,50,000 you will get 2,50,000 to 5 lakh. Okay, so you should find out the difference. So 5 lakh, there is no 5 lakh more than not 5 lakh. It's a 3,54,000. So you write 3 lakh. So 3,54,000. So you minus it that. That is 2,50,000 minus 3,50,000. You will get 1 lakh. 1 minute. So 2,50,000 minus 3,54,000, you will get 1,04,000. Okay. So 1,04,000 into 5%. You should do 5%. Okay. So into 5%, you will get 5,200. And you should add last health and education cess, that is 4%. So we should add. Okay. So health and education cess is rupees 4%. So 5,200 into 4%, you will get into 4%, you will get 208. Okay, and you should add. Okay, you should add this answer. So 5,200 plus 208, you will get 5,408. 5,408. So this is the answer. So here it comes like tax liability. Okay. So after finding everything, just I'll think once again. So compute the salary income 2 lakh and compute income from property is 65,000. Agricultural income from Bangladesh is 1 lakh, and share of income from HUF is tax free. This you should note it. So income from HUF, that is tax free. Next, compute income from short-term capital gain. It comes some income from capital gain, that is 75,000, and you add it. Okay, you should add. You will get gross total income, that is 4,50,000. 40,000. Then you see the expenses. Okay, so that is deduction, and based on the expenses you should see which are, that is life insurance, medical insurance, and loan payment, and Swachh Bharat. After doing everything you should add, and later this amount to minus, so you will get this answer, that is 3,54,000. Then you should calculate the computation of tax liability, and you should see the that up to 2,50,000, and from 2,50,000 to, based on the total amount how much you will get, that amount minus into 5%, you will get this amount, and you should add the education cess value. After that you will get tax liability. Okay. Fifth question. Sri Anjaneya has submits the following particulars for the assessment year 2019 to 20. Compute his total income and tax liability for assessment year 2019 to 20. Income from salary computed rupees 4 lakh. House property income computed rupees 2 lakh. Income from business rupees 5 lakh. Long-term capital gain rupees 50,000. Short-term capital gain rupees 20,000. Agricultural income in India rupees 4,000. So note, short-term capital gain is from the sale of equity shares for which securities transactions tax was not paid. Long-term capital gain from the sale of equity shares for which securities transactions tax was paid. So computation of taxable income, both the income and tax liability. So we should calculate both. One is tax income as well as tax liability. Okay. So fifth problem. Computation of taxable income and tax liability. Okay, so previous year and assessment year is very important. So 2019 to 2020, 2020 to 2021, and assessee who is a Sri Anjaneya. So assessee Sri Anjaneya. Particular and to amount column. So income from salary computed rupees 4 lakh. So in question they have mentioned bracket computed. So you should write direct amount column, that is 4 lakh. There is no TDS to calculate. Okay. So income from salary. Income from salary, that is 4 lakh. Next one is house property income computed. So the question has mentioned computed, so you should write direct amount, that is rupees 2 lakh. So house property income that is computed question. So house property income, that is 2 lakh. was rupees 5 lakh. So you should write direct amount column. What is that? Income from business is rupees 5 lakh. Next, long-term capital gain and short-term capital gain they have given mention, and in down they have mentioned note that let's see. So short-term capital gain is from the sale of equity share for which securities transactions tax was not paid. Okay, was not paid. So we should write in amount column that amount is short term capital gain is 20,000. In amount column we should write. Okay, but in long term capital gain from the sale of equity shares for which securities transaction tax was paid. So in long term capital gain they already paid amount, so no need to mention the amount column. In amount column just you put nil. Okay, so here long term, that is what is that tax already paid. We already paid, so we don't need to mention in amount column. Already paid at the time of sale. That is short term. Okay. So in amount column just you write 0. Next, in short term we should write amount because it's not paid, so we should mention in amount column that is 20,000. Short term, that is 20,000. Next, in income from other source, that is agricultural income in India. So it's exempted. If the question gives like agricultural income from outside the India, so it's taxable because in question they have mentioned India, so it's exempted. So what is that? Agricultural income in India. So it's an exempted. Then you should calculate the gross total income. So just mention here gross total income. Just add how much you will get. So 4 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 20,000, you will get 11 lakh 20,000. So question says answer is 11 lakh 20,000. Okay. Next one is deduction under section 80C to 80U. In the question they did not mention anything. Okay, expenses they did not mention, so you can write in here format is there, na? So let's you write what is it? Deduction under section 80C to 80U. Okay, so there is no expenses, there is no deduction, so you should do 0 because the question they did not mention. Then you do here, that is a total taxable income, same amount you write here, 11,20,000. Okay. Next in first section is over. So taxable income we have calculated, and now we should calculate it tax liability. Okay. So I'll write here tax liability. So tax liability. Okay. So tax liability. So if the question tells less than 60 years, the below 60 years means there is some format, isn't it? So what is the format? That is 0 to 2,50,000, that is a nil, and 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, it's a 5%, and from 5 lakh to 10 lakh it's 20%, and above 10 lakh it's a 30%. This is the format. So based on this format we should calculate. I'll just write it for your reference. Okay. Format if less than 60 years below. So I'll write here 60 years below. Okay. The format is like this. From 0 to 2,50,000 it's a nil. Okay. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh it's a 5%, and from 5 lakh to 10 lakh it's a 20%, and above, okay, so above 10 lakh it's a 30%. So this is the format. Based on this format we will calculate the tax liability. Okay, let's do a problem. So from here, okay, so up to 2,50,000. So here nil, because the answer is like 11,20,000. So it's a nil. Okay. And next one is from 5 lakh to 2,50,000. Okay, 2,50,000. So from 2,50,000 into 5%, how much you will get answer? So 2,50,000 into 5%, you will get 12,500. Okay, so this step is over. This step is over. Next, from 10 lakh to 5 lakh. So from 5 lakh to into, that is the format it says that 20%. So just put 20% and calculate how much you will get. So 5 lakh into 20%, you will get 1 lakh. Okay. Next, so this was over. Now we are moving to here. So above means above to 10 lakh. So 1,20,000 to 10 lakh. So here 1,20,000 into 30%. So this format will take this percentage. So how much you will get? So 1,20,000 into 30%, you will get 36,000. Okay. Next, you add it. You should total. Okay. So that is 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 36,000. You will get 1,48,500. So 1,48,500. So this is the amount. Okay. After that, we should add health and education cess. The percentage is 4% we should add. Okay. So add health and education cess. That is 4%. So 1,48,500 into 4%, you will get 5,940. Okay. 1,48,500 into 4%, you will get 5,940. Okay. Then you add both, that is 1,48,500 plus 5,940, you will get 15,440. Okay. 15,440. So 15,04,040. You will get last amount, that is a total tax liability, tax payable. Okay. So how you will get? In question they have mentioned both the format. One is taxable income and tax liability. Okay. So first we calculated the taxable income and later we completed tax liability format. And in question they have mentioned the salary income from salary computed. So based on the answer you should write 4 lakh, because in question it mentioned 4 computed. So that we mentioned 4 lakh. And house property income, that is 2 lakh. Income from business is 5 lakh. And in long term they already paid. So in amount column they no need to mention. And in short term they did not mention in amount column. So you should write in 20,000. And agricultural income in India, it's an exempted. If in case the agricultural income outside India means it's a taxable. Okay, then you will get this amount. And based on this we will calculate the tax liability in case the 60 years below. So 60 years below, the format is like this: 0, that is 2,50,000, that is a nil, and 2,50,000 to 5 lakh, it's a 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, it's a 20%, above 10 lakh is a 30%. Okay, then we will calculate like this, and finally your answer will get this. Okay. Sixth problem, Mr. T.P. Kailasam, an individual, made payment of health insurance premium to gross total income in an approved scheme. Premium paid on his health rupees 20,000 and his sponsors rupees 8,000 during the previous year 2018 to 19. He also paid health insurance premium of rupees 25,000 on his father's health, who is a senior citizen and not dependent on him. The payment have been made in cash. So compute the total of deduction under 6A available to him from gross total income for the assessment year 2019 to 20. So let's do a problem. So problem number 6, that is deduction in respect of medical insurance premium. This under which section comes? The sections comes under 80D, because the health insurance premium. So the health insurance premium sections comes under 80D. Okay. 80D. Particular and amount column. So, Mr. T.P. Kailasam, an individual, make payment of health insurance premium to gross total income in an approved scheme. So, premium paid on his health, that is rupees 20,000. So, what is the health insurance premium paid? How much? It's 20,000. Okay, and sponsors is rupees 8,000. So you should add both. So you will get 28,000. Okay. So you should write here for assessee and his family, because in question they have mentioned only one member, that is an individual, that the individual name is Mr. T.P. Kailasam. So it's an individual. Okay, so for accessing and his family, that is, you write here 20,000 plus 8,000, so you will get 28,000 right here. Okay, and maximum limit is 25,000. So maximum limit right here, maximum limit is 25,000. Okay, then you see whichever is less. Okay, whichever is less, you write in amount column. So in this whichever is less, that is a 25,000. So write here 25,000. And next paragraph, he also paid health insurance premium of rupees 35,000. So health insurance premium rupees how much? 35,000 on his father health, who is a senior citizen. So the senior citizen maximum amount is 30,000. Okay, so 30,000. So this is a health insurance. Okay, health insurance and senior citizen. Okay, senior citizen is 30,000 and not dependent on him, and the payment have been made in cash. So compute, then we have to see that how to do it, the problem. So for accessee, right here for accessee, parent, that is a senior citizen. Senior citizen. Okay. Not dependent. Not dependent. So here 35,000 in question they have mentioned already, and the senior citizen they have mentioned. Okay. So or senior citizen, the percentage, the section, that is 30,000. In this whichever is less. Okay. In this whichever is less, that amount you should write in amount column. So that is 30,000. Okay. Then you total it. So how much you will get? So 25,000 plus 30,000, you will get 55,000. So so this is a medical insurance premium under section what is that? Under section 80D. So you will get final answer, that is 55,000. Okay, like this we should calculate. And just note, okay, just note a point. So 80D means this deduction is applicable to an individual and HUF for medical insurance premium paid. Payment should be made by any to make other than cash. So maximum amount allowed on deduction in respect of preventive health checkup is rupees 5,000. So maximum deduction. So maximum deduction, just this is very important point. I'll write here note. Okay. So here maximum amount allowed has deduction in respect of preventive health checkup up to is rupees 5,000. Okay. So here maximum deduction, family, parents, and next one is HUF. Okay, this is a point. And your normal, so normal deductions comes like 25,000, here also 25,000. And your senior citizen above year, okay, that is 30,000, 30,000. And the senior citizen non-resident 25,000. So this part is very important. Just for reference, I make this chart. So for maximum amount allowed has deductions in respect of preventive health checkup is 5,000, and maximum deduction, that is family, parents, and HUF, the normal deduction is 25,000, both the three. Okay, that is family, parents, as well as HUF. And senior citizen above years, that is 30,000 for both, for three. Okay, and senior citizen non-resident is 25,000 in family, 25,000 in parents, and 25,000 in HUF. So finally this chapter is completed. The chapter name is that deduction from gross total income. So finally this chapter is completed.